20 million are still undergoing the manual claims that are in review, digitization of the facility.
We've worked together, and I am very proud of
supporting that rollout in that. And we have.
I can confirm that, Your Excellency.
Gives them 100 devices. So they submit.
The continuum between NHIF and SHA, people don't get it because we were already so down with NHIF and SHA was struggling to pick up. So that continuum has been an issue. But we want to say, Your Excellency, we're so grateful if we can continue to work together on the challenges. That issue for Tenwek and the major surgical facilities, which are heavy lifters for the country, and we know you have to do a thorough job, is something we continue to request that it be reviewed as fast as possible.
I did make a commitment to the people of Kenya that I want to expand the horizons of health to get every Kenyan on board. It is so critical and so important that it must not be a privilege for the people who can afford. The Constitution demands of government that we must provide the highest standard of quality of health to citizens.